No. Do you guys see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, perfect. So this is called the review. Okay, we call iTutor. iTutor can help you to improve your lesson after what you have learned in the lesson. So today I'm going to review about two main points: grammar, the present continuous, and the pronunciation of sound and er. So this time, let's move to grammar section here and review about what we learned yesterday. So let's listen.
Sending a message to Sarah. 1.
What are you doing?
I'm sending a message to Sarah. 2.
My brother is doing a 2-month course in the UK.
3.
In this picture, the woman is standing near the window.
So we use the present continuous. Rule number 1 to talk about things that is happening now or at this moment. For example, like Sarun, Tim, and Ray are learning English from Mr. Ray. Okay, Mr. Ray is teaching English at this moment, happening now. Okay, and rule number 2, we talk about temporary things that are happening now or this week, like that. So it's not permanent, just temporary. For example, like Mr. Ray is staying in Siem Reap, but today I will be back after class. But now I am staying in Siem Reap. It's not my hometown. It's not my home. It's just only the province I'm coming to work. So just temporary, I use present continuous. And also when you see something like in the picture, like in painting, like banner or promotion you can see on the sign or like that, and you want to tell something about what is going on in the picture, you also use the present continuous. For example, like you see a picture of someone wearing clothes or jewelry or whatever like that, and you describe about this, we also use the present continuous. Okay, so this was what we learned yesterday. And now let's go to exercise here. So this one is about the way that you can form of the present continuous. So normally positive we use with subject. Okay, we got subject I, you, we, they, or her, he, she, it. And we use with I to be am, you, we, they to be are, and he, she, it to be is. And verb plus ing. Okay, verb plus ing. Example, I'm working, you're working, or he's working, short form like that. When you answer yes, no question, to make question, we put to be fair, like to be before subject, like are you, or is she or he, like that. When you respond short answer, we say yes, I am, or no, I'm not. An easy one. For the spelling rule for the ing form, normally we just put ing. Okay, like cook, we add ing, cooking. But if a verb finish in letter y, change y to I, so we add ing, like study, change to studying. If a word finish with letter e, you omit e. Okay, cut e, and then you just add ing. For one syllable verb like run, okay, and then you see one vowel and another consonant, you double consonant, like run, we add one n, double consonant. So the rule I think you already know. Now let's move to exercises here. 3. The present continuous or present simple. Let's compare the difference. So look, this one, let's listen.
What do you do?
I work for Microsoft.
What are you doing?
I'm checking my emails.
So in general, when you talk something in general or true happens, always happens, we use the present simple. Okay, what do you do? Ask about your job. You do it every day. So we use the present simple. But if you see something that you are doing right now, it's not your normal work. For example, like you work as a Microsoft designer, whatever like that. But now you are swimming or you are cooking, so they ask you, what are you doing? So different. Okay, so the present continuous for an action happening now or at this moment. So normally when we use with verb that have no action, we call non-action verb. We cannot make this type of verbs into the present continuous. For example, like the word want, need, or like, they talk about feeling. Okay, no action, so we cannot make them into continuous. Now let's practice exercise. Try to choose one. My sister works. My sister is working. Which one is correct? Now let's spend some time working on this, number 1 to number 8. Number 1, number 2 until number 8. Okay, 1 minute. Now over here, let me have Baray. What's your answer?
My sister works.
Works. Okay. Now Sarun, number 2. Team number 2.
Dear teacher, number 2, you can turn off the radio. I'm not listening to it.
I'm not listening. Okay, Lisa, number 3.
We normally eat out at weekends.
Eat out at weekend. Sarun. Baray.
Be careful, the baby is potting.
Is potting. Team, I
am waiting for answer. Select as usual.
Okay, I'm waiting. Lisa.
I usually drink tea, but I want a coffee today.
I want. Baray.
What are you wearing?
Why are you wearing? Number 8, Sarun. Team.
Yes, teacher. Number 8, my dog's not dangerous. He doesn't bite.
Doesn't bite. Okay, so check your answer. Number 1, oh sorry, my mistake, okay, not my mistake. I just typed K. So works. So this one, my dog, not dangerous. He doesn't. Maybe it's wrong spelling. Or what? My dog doesn't. My dog doesn't bite. Maybe I forget to where to write the word bite. Okay, just only one word. All right, so you guys, you got the answer correct. Now we move to another part of pronunciation. Sound. Okay, short one we call schwa sound. So these are called a kinds of short one. Computer, trouser, trainers, sandals, sweater, cardigan. Okay, sound. And this one like sound, shirt, skirt, t-shirt. Okay, so that's all about the review, and then we move back to exercises of the present continuous. You got it now? Practice more on exercises regarding the present continuous. So make them into the present continuous form by using the following verbs to complete the joke. We got 10 words. Okay, we got 10 verbs and put them here. For example, the police are what? Chewing, looking, drowning, telling, or what? Let's practice exercise now. Okay, look at the chat now. Number 1, What your idea? Number one.
I
The
see
police are
looking here.
okay, correct. Looking. Number two.
I think waiting.
Huh? Waiting.
Yes, but I'm not sure, teacher.
What about the other? What about the other? You have any idea?
I think using, teacher.
Huh? What is louder? I cannot hear.
Using, teacher.
Using. What about Bray?
Using.
Using. We are using imperfect weather.
Giving.
Giving. Okay. I just want to give you the answer first, and we can check later. Okay. You got writing, using, and giving. Number three.
Eating, teacher. Eating a banana.
Eating. What about the other? The same?
Yes, teacher, the same.
Okay, eating. Number four. Number four.
Showing.
Showing. What about the other?
The same, teacher.
Agree. Okay, I follow you guys. Showing. Number five.
Waiting.
Waiting. What about the other?
The
What about the
same,
other?
teacher.
The same.
Yes.
Okay. If so, I put waiting here. Number six.
Drowning.
Drowning. What about the other? Any idea? No idea? No idea? Drowning? Okay, nobody answer. I put drowning here. Number seven. Number seven. Any idea? Number seven.
Giving, teacher.
Giving. You see giving? What about
Yes.
the other?
Flying.
Flying. Another one. No answer. I put giving and flying here. Number eight. Number eight, please.
Trying.
Trying. What else? Who else?
I think the same boy, teacher.
Okay, trying. Who else? Nobody answer. I put trying here. Number nine. No worry, no right, no wrong. You just express your understanding. So no answer. No answer. I will write down no answer.
Telling, teacher.
Telling. Who else? No more telling. Okay, I put telling here first. Number 10. Number 10.
Looking, teacher.
Looking. Who else? No more? No more idea? Okay, I put looking here. So we're gonna come back and check the answer all together. The link is almost cut off now, and we can talk later. Okay, see you again.